Hello everyone, I am Ashwini Disle, student of the Brissing Institute, batch 22. Today I will discuss on non-technical topic that is very significant issue of women empowerment and its effect on the world as a whole. Everyone here must have read or heard about women empowerment through print, media, electronic media, or through through discussion or seminars, as it is one of the most talked and discussed social issue. Empowered woman is not just a matter of equity. It is a vital component of building just prosperities and sustainable worlds. Woman empowerment means creating opportunity for women to achieve their fullest potential, to make a decision about their lives, and to contribute fully to society. It is about ensuring that women have equal access to education, economic opportunities, and healthcare. It is about challenging and changing societal norms and attitudes that limit women's potential. Historically, women have focused many challenges and limitations, but over time this has been great progress. Women have proven their capabilities in every field, from science and politics to business and the arts. Yet there is still work to be done. We know that when women are empowered, societies thrive. Empowered women contribute and economic growth, drive innovations, and promote stability. Educated women are more likely to educate their children, leading to improve health and educational outcomes and future generations. However, the journey towards the empowerment is not yet complete. Many women around the world still face barriers, discriminations, violence, and inequality that hinder their progress. It is our collective responsibility to address their challenges. We must advocate for policies that promote gender equality, support women's leadership, and ensure equal pay for equal work. We must challenge stereotypes and break down the social and cultural barriers that hold women back. We must all work together to support and uplift women. These include advocating for equal rights, challenging stereotypes, and creating opportunities for women to succeed. By doing so, we help build a fairer, more inclusive world. We must also recognize the diversity of women's experience and voice. Empowerment of not a one size fits all concept. It must be inclusive and considerate of the varying needs and circumstances of women from different backgrounds, cultures, and communities. Let us remember that empowering women is not a zero sum game. When women rise, everyone benefits. Our communities become stronger, our economics more robust, and our society more just. Now comes the advantages of women empowerment. Why do it, and why don't we live the we leave the women in their present state and let them develop gradually. Today the world is developing fast, and we are about to achieve global sustainable development by 2030. One of the United Nations most ambitious project. It would then be a mistakes to neglects the condition or is underdeveloped or a skill developing nation. Things will be definitely change one day, but the change has begun from our homes. Moving on to the government, it should form new policies for improving women equal opportunities. Equal opportunities of employment and development. When women are empowered and develop as a whole grows stronger and more vigorous. Let's continue to support and encourage women in every way we can. Thank you.